This is the XP-67 aeroplane, designed and produced by the McDonnell Aircraft Corporation in collaboration with the United States Army Air Forces. The XP-67 is powered by two Continental I-1430 engines, each developing 1,600 horsepower military rating and 2,100 horsepower war emergency rating. A General Electric turbo supercharger mounted in the rear of each engine nacelle provides the necessary supercharging to carry these ratings to 25,000 feet. This airplane is so designed that the laminar flow airfoil sections are maintained throughout. This results in a planned form of long sweeping curves as the profile is expanded and decreased to house the engines and pilot's compartment, and further results in an extremely large internal volume while maintaining the small frontal area. This volume is used to house large quantities of gasoline, 735 gallons internal self-sealing tankage, and heavy armament. The correct design for these openings was determined by extensive wind tunnel testing, both at the AAF Air Technical Service Command and NACA laboratories. The armament, consisting of 6 37mm compensated cannon, mounted 3 in each side of the center section, was not installed when these pictures were made. The XP-67 was originally designed as a heavy cannon fighter intended for the primary mission of destroying enemy bombardment aircraft in flight by large caliber explosive shell fire. Changing events indicated the need for a long-range fighter capable of escorting friendly bombardment aircraft deep into hostile territory. The large internal capacity of this airplane makes it possible to meet the requirements for this type fighter by installing additional internal gasoline. Ranges in excess of those now considered adequate are possible by adding external tankage. Flight testing is now in progress to prove the feasibility of the basic design. Upon completion of the present program, consideration will be given to the several modifications which have been proposed. The versatility of the design makes possible alternate armament installations of 8 37mm cannon, or 8 20mm cannon, or 8 60 caliber machine guns, or 12 50 caliber machine guns. Externally, bombs, chemical tanks, or torpedoes can be carried. The airplane should then be able to operate effectively as a low-level attack airplane against ground installations, personnel, and surface vessels. In its present configuration, the XP-67 has an estimated high speed of 450 miles per hour at 25,000 feet. Rate of climb, 3,200 feet per minute at sea level. Service ceiling, 37,000 feet. Maximum range, 2,000 miles. For super performance, jet propulsion units can be installed in the space now occupied by the turbo supercharger. This modification will require substitution of 2-stage engines forward, which can be used for economical cruising, reserving the jet propulsion units for actual combat.